Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, it is now just getting beyond ridiculous now within the Nigerian space, the sort of crass and crude vulgarity that we're being subjected to by some of the people that purport to run the state of affairs of that country. It's just really beyond the pale. It's like a throwback to like the 1800s or something. I have never come across behavior like this. So with that guys, I bring you this. DSS spokesman Peter Ofanaya calls Nigerian professor Bas't'ard for inquiring about Sowore. So that's the headline. And before I go on, there's a proviso. This is a piece coming from Sahara reporters, so you have to take it within that context. Of course, they have vested interest in this particular positioning that this story is positioned. So we put that caveat in as we repeat again the headline. DSS spokesperson Peter Ofanaya calls Nigerian professor Bas't'ard for inquiring about Sowore, and there's an audio clip to back this up as well, which I shall try to attach to this video. So let's see now what's being said here. Spokesperson for the Department of State Services, Peter Ofanaya, has described a Nigerian professor who called to inquire about the continued detention of right activist Omoyele Sowore, a bastard. In a 41-second telephone conversation exclusively obtained by Sahara reporters, Ofanaya could be heard verbally insulting the caller, who identified himself as Professor James Shegun, who had made an attempt to get an update on the Sowore case. So now here are excerpts of the conversation, but as I said, I will append the conversation. Maybe here, I'll append it here, but here are excerpts anyway. So excerpts of the conversation. Ofanaya, hello, who is this? Caller, this is Professor James Shegun from Campaign for Democracy. I want to find out more about Sowore's issue. Ofanaya, you are a bastard. Get off my phone, idiot. Caller, hello. Ofanaya, get off my phone. You are a bastard. Get off my phone, idiot. Caller, why can't you respond in a civil manner? Ofanaya, you are a bastard. Don't call my line anymore. So that's the cut and thrust of that conversation. In recent days, Ofanaya has been at the forefront of DSS's ridiculous bid to turn the tables around in their favor over the continued detention of Sowore and Olawale Bakare, widely known as Mandate. On Tuesday, the DSS spokesperson told a gathering of journalists in Abuja that they have refused to release Sowore despite 2 court orders directing the agency to do so, because they feared he could be knocked down by a speeding vehicle if allowed to go. On previous occasions, Ofanaya has said that their refusal to obey the court orders was because nobody showed up to collect Sowore. In yet another instance, the image maker of Nigeria's dreaded secret police said that Sowore was yet to be released by them because he preferred to stay with the DSS. Ofanaya also recently told the world that Sowore was yet to be freed by them because his sureties had failed to come to the DSS for verification. Senior advocate of Nigeria, Femi Falana, who is representing Sowore on Tuesday, disclosed that all efforts by him to collect his clients from the DSS facility in Abuja had been frustrated by the organization. Sowore, famed globally for exposing Nigeria's corrupt politicians, was arrested in Lagos on August the 3rd, 2019, for calling on Nigerians to take to the streets in a peaceful demonstration to demand a better country from the administration of President Muhammadu Buhari. The government is accusing him of insulting Buhari and planning to bring down his regime, charges observers around the world have described as frivolous and laughable. Despite 2 separate orders by the Federal High Court in Abuja ordering his release after meeting stringent bail conditions, the DSS has refused to release Sowore, casting a huge shadow over the human rights record of the Buhari government. So now here is now the latest development now, and here is the spokesperson of the DSS apparently, allegedly, and this of course is according to Sahara reporters, calling a caller who's called to inquire about the state of play regarding Sowore a bastard. A professor, no less, is the person that this guy is calling a bastard, according to Sowore reporters. We have to put that caveat always. So this is, of course, a report by a Sahara reporters, and there's an audio clip that I've already attached to this video. So, of course, now this Peter Ofonaya's voice will be known to the people who know his voice. So they can then be able to identify if this is his voice or not. But now, this is now what we are conjuring with within the Nigerian space now. This is now the level of depravity that we have degenerated to. Can you imagine that? A spokesperson of a lead organization within the largest black democracy on the planet is calling a caller making to make a legitimate inquiry a bastard. This is really what we are discussing here now, and that is Nigeria for you. Conversations in the comment section. I am just now at my wit's end, so you come share your wisdom with me. But before you come share wise thoughts, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you're making of this ridiculousness that we're not feasting on a daily basis effectively as our diet in the Nigerian space now. Come tell me what you're making of all this in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Carry on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.